Hello student, how are you having all? Today we have to learn subject maths and chapter number 13, surface areas and volume, and exercise 13.5, page number 228. So dear student, open the textbook, page number 228 and exercise 3.5 and question number 3. A cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long and 8 meter wide. A cuboidal vessel is a 10 meter long, so L is equal to 10 meter and 8 meter wide. So B is equal to 8 meter. How high it must be? How high it must be? So question mark is height. So height is equal to question mark. How high it must it be made to hold 380 cube meters? How must height be? That means question mark क्या है height? Here is made to hold 308 cube meters. Okay, that means hold क्या डिनोटेट करता है कि वो क्यूबोइडल की कैपेसिटी क्या है, क्यूबोइडल कितना होल्ड कर सकता है. सो वो 380 क्यूब मीटर्स होल्ड कर सकता है. दैट मीन्स होल्ड इज गिवन दैट मीन्स वॉल्यूम इज गिवन दैट. सो V इज इक्वल टू 300 cubic meters, that means meter cube that means 3, square that means 2, meter square so m square, cube meter so meter cube. Okay, meter square meter so m square, cubic meter so m cube. Okay, again a cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long, so L is 10 meter, 8 meter wide, so B is 8 meter. How high it must be? So H is equal to question mark, it be made to hold that means measurement is volume कि क्यूबोइडल कितना वॉल्यूम कर सकता है, क्यूबोइडल कितना होल्ड कर सकता है. सो वो 308 क्यूबिक मीटर्स होल्ड कर सकता है. सो हियर इज होल्ड दैट मीन्स मेजरमेंट क्या है, वॉल्यूम. एंड वी नो दैट दिस फॉर्मूला कि वॉल्यूम ऑफ cuboid is equal to L multiplied by B multiplied by H. Okay, volume of cuboid is equal to L multiplied by B multiplied by H. Volume is 380, L is 10, B is 8 and H is question mark. So as it is write down H. Now we have to find out H. So 10, separate the 10 and 8. So we must be separate 10 and 8 transposing to right hand side and multiply number always be divided number. So 380 upon 10 multiply by 8 is equal to H. Multiply number हम equal to की left hand side transposing करें, so it is a divided number. Okay, then 0 is a cancel out, so 38 upon 8 is equal to H. So H is equal to 38 divided 8. So 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 14, 8 4s are 32, 8 minus 2 we get 6, 0. So division is not possible. The write down is point and 0 0. 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48. Okay, 8 8s are 64 and 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56, 4 0 and 8 5s are 40. So answer is height is 4.75 and measurement is meter. Okay, again a cuboidal vessel is a 10 meter long, so L is 10 meter, 8 meter wide, so B is 8 meter. How high it must be? How high it must be? That means H is equal to question mark. It be made to hold here is hold that means cuboidal कितना hold कर सकता है, so 380 cube meters. So measurement is volume, hold that means measurement is volume. So V is equal to 380 meter cube. यहाँ पे cuboid की capacity that means holding value क्या है, 380 cube meter, that means volume. And we know that this formula कि volume of cuboid L B H and put this value, volume is 380, H is L is 10, B is 8 and H is question mark. So write down as it is H. And 10 and 8 you must be find out the value H. So separate the 10 and 8. So we have to transposing 10 and 8 left hand side, so it is a divided number, 10 and 8. So 0 0 it is a cancel out, and divided answer h is equal to 4.75 meter. Okay. Then next question number 4. Find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3 meter deep. Find the costing value find करनी है cuboidal की. So first of all we have to must find out the volume of cuboidal. Okay, so here is 8 meter long, so L is equal to 8 meter, 6 meter wide, so B is equal to 6 meter broad. Okay, sorry, 6 meter broad, so B is equal to 6 meter, and 3 meter deep, so deep is given that H, so H is equal to 3 meter at the rate of rupees 30 per meter cube. Okay, here is a क्वेश्चन में ओनली हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है कि फाइंड द कॉस्टिंग वैल्यू. सो हमें एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है कि वॉल्यूम. सो वो हमें कैसे पता चलेगा. हियर इज मेजरमेंट मीटर क्यूब, और मीटर क्यूब मेजरमेंट किसका है, वॉल्यूम का है. दैट्स वाई हम वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट करेंगे, बिकॉज क्वेश्चन में मेंशन नहीं किया गया है कि यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट सरफेस ऑफ एरिया की वॉल्यूम, बट नॉट इज दिस कि पर मीटर क्यूब, एंड मीटर क्यूब इज मेजरमेंट वॉल्यूम. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट वॉल्यूम ऑफ cuboidal. So volume of cuboidal is equal to L multiplied by B multiplied by H, and L is 8, B is 6, and height is 3. So 8 6 are 48 multiplied by 3, so 48 multiplied by 3, so 8 3 are 24, 2 ups, 3 4s are 12, and 12 plus 2 we get 14, so 114. एंड वॉल्यूम का मेजरमेंट क्या है, क्यूब. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ cuboidal इज इक्वल टू 144 मीटर क्यूब. ओके, नाउ फाइंड द वैल्यू. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट कॉस्टिंग वैल्यू, एंड पर मीटर क्यूब इट इज 30. So 1 meter cube is equal to 30 rupees. So 144 meter cube is equal to question mark. So we have to cross multiply, and 144 multiplied by 30. So you have to multiply this number, so we get the answer. So you do it yourself multiplication. Okay, 144 multiplied by 30. Okay, easy है. Then next is question number 5. The capacity of cuboidal tank is, so here is measurement capacity. Mention the word capacity, hold, it is denoted by volume of cuboidal. Okay, अगर क्वेश्चन में मेंशन द वर्ड कौन सा मेंशन किया गया हो, कैपेसिटी, होल्ड, सो इट इज अ वॉल्यूम ऑफ cuboidal. So V is equal to 50,000 liter. So find the breadth. So B is equal to question mark of tank. If its length and depth are respectively length and depth, that means height. Length L is equal to 2.5 meter, and depth that means H is equal to 10 meter. Again, the capacity of cuboidal tank, capacity that means it is a given that volume of a cuboidal. Okay, and we know that कि वॉल्यूम का मेजरमेंट मीटर क्यूब में होता है. हियर इज लीटर. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें लीटर को मीटर क्यूब में कन्वर्ट करना होगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट लीटर क्यूब इन मीटर, and we know that कि 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Okay, 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter, or 1 liter is equal to 1/1000 meter cube. Okay, 1 liter cube is equal to, sorry, 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. So 1 liter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter cube. और हियर इज लीटर को मेजर में सॉरी मीटर क्यूब में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाय 1000, 1 अपॉन 1000. सो v इज इक्वल टू 50,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 लीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 1000 मीटर क्यूब. सो 1 अपॉन 1000 meter cube. So last 30 is, it is a cancel out. So v is equal to 50 meter cube. Again, in this question it's clear the capacity of cube oil tank is of 50,000 liter capacity. That means volume of cube oil. So v is equal to 50,000 liter. So find the breadth. So b is equal to question mark. If its length and depth are respectively 2.5, length is 2.5 and h is a 10 meter. Okay, so here the measurement is a liter and volume का measurement always meter cube में होता है. So meter cube में convert करने के लिए 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So 1 liter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter cube. You must be remember, okay, कि 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So 1 liter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter cube. So liter को meter cube में convert करने के लिए we have to multiply by 1 upon 1000. So last 30 it is a cancel out. So v is equal to 15 meter cube. Now v is equal to volume of cube oil is equal to L multiply by B multiply by H. V is equal to 50. L is a 2.5. breadth is a question mark, so B as it is, and H is a 10. You have to find out B. So separate the number 2.5 and 10. And 2.5 is a multiply number. 2.5 and 10 is multiply number. So you have to separate equal to left hand side. So it is a divided number. So 15 is equal to 2.5 multiplied by 10 is equal to B. You have to find out B. So separate the 2.5 and 10. And here is 2.5 and 10 is a multiply number. You have to transposing left hand side. So multiply by number always be divided number. So 0 0 it is a cancel out, and 5. So 2.5 2.5 that means 25 that means 5 5s are 25. 2.5 में अगर हम पॉइंट रिमूव करेंगे सो डिनोमीटर में क्या आएगा 10 आएगा. पॉइंट के बाद 1 प्लेसेस है, सो वी हैव टू रिमूव दिस पॉइंट. सो राइट डाउन द नंबर 10 एंड 5 इट इज़ अ कैंसल आउट एंड 10 न्यूमीटर में आ जाएगा. सो 10 अपॉन 5 इज इक्वल टू B. So B is equal to 2 5s are 10 upon 5. So 5 cancel out. So B is equal to 2 meter. B is equal to 2 meter. Again jo 0 0 it is a cancel out. 5 25 that means 5 5s are 25. You have to remove this point. So the right so you have to remove this point. So write down divided by 10. Why? Because point then after 1 places that means divided by 10. So 5 cancel out and number 10. So number 10 write down the numerator. So 10 upon 5 and 10 that means 2 5s are 10. So 5 it is a cancel out. So answer is a 2. So B is equal to 2 meter. ओके सो डियर स्टूडेंट नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में लर्न करेंगे. ओके न्यू फार्मूला एंड न्यू सम. ओके थैंक यू.